Photography is a universal language. When you really think about it, we don't need to learn how to speak it to enjoy it.
Promega es una compañía que está siempre enfocada en ayudar a la comunidad y muy interesada en trabajar con las entidades que trabajan también con las comunidades latinas.
You never know where good ideas are going to come from. So be open to listening to a lot of different, diverse opinions and people with diverse experiences.
DE&I and communities of belonging really is a tool of bettering our human condition broadly in society. But what does that mean for Promega?
It was so valuable to get input from them, but also from the judges and hear what they think about our project.
Avi and I are both very honored to be here. I've had a very long and fruitful relationship with Promega over the years.
I'm very impressed to learn about all the activities here at Promega, and I think it's wonderful that there's going to be a telescope observatory up here.
We want our method to be able to enable target engagement assays for all the hotspot mutants and build new and improved medicines for some of the really aggressive cancers.
The Lumit cytokine immunoassays are fast and very simple assays for measuring cytokine levels.
This system in particular was designed specifically for the forensic DNA community. So we're talking about your crime laboratories, your sheriff's department laboratories, things of that nature.
Thank you for coming. It feels so good just to be together, doesn't it?